Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Graduate. So in today's video we are going to cover our new topic, that is output device. In our previous video we have already covered the input device. So if you want to see, you can check in our channel. So now moving towards our output device and its type. So first we discuss about the definition of output device. So output device is a computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Any peripheral that receives or display output from a computer to user. So basically output device computer hardware है और एक peripheral device है जिसका काम कंप्यूटर के द्वारा दिए गए इंफॉर्मेशन को यूजर को डिस्प्ले कराना है। और आउटपुट डिवाइस का जिस तरह से इनपुट डिवाइस का काम होता है कि वो ह्यूमन यूजर के द्वारा दिए गए इंफॉर्मेशन को कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करे, उसी तरह आउटपुट डिवाइस का काम होता है कि वो कंप्यूटर के द्वारा दिए गए इंफॉर्मेशन को ह्यूमन रीडेबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करे। Now there are some examples of output device which we will cover in this video. So first you can see here is monitor, then printer, then speaker and projector. So let's see the first output device, that is monitor. Now as you can see, this is the monitor. Now we are going to study about this output device. So monitor, commonly called as visual display unit, in short we call it as VDU. It is the main output device of the computer. So monitor का basically काम होता है जो भी information computer प्रोसेस करता है उसको display कराना. Okay, so there are some features which we discuss about monitor. So first is it creates a visual display by the use of which user can view process data. Monitors come in various sizes and resolution. So as I told कि मॉनिटर का काम है कि वो जो भी डेटा कंप्यूटर के जो प्रोसेस हुआ है उसको यूजर को डिस्प्ले कराए। और मॉनिटर्स बहुत ही साइज और बहुत ही रिजोल्यूशंस में आते हैं। सो देर आर सो मेनी मॉनिटर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड रिजोल्यूशंस. नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट is the monitor displays the video and the graphic information generated by the computer through the video card. So whatever the graphic and video information generated by the computer are displayed by the monitor through video card. Now monitor are somehow similar to television but usually display information at much higher resolution. So monitor को हम कहीं ना कहीं टेलीविजन या टीवी की तरह कह सकते हैं, बट जो मॉनिटर का रिजोल्यूशन है, जो डिस्प्ले कर इंफॉर्मेशन को डिस्प्ले करने का जो रिजोल्यूशन है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा हायर है एज कंपेयर टू टेलीविजन. नाउ देयर आर two common types of monitor. First is cathode ray tube and the second is flat panel screen. So cathode ray tube uses phosphorescent dots to generate the pixels. Pixels वो like when we talk about images, images are the combination of pixels. Okay, so ये cathode ray tube में इसमें phosphorescent dots का use किया जाता है pixels को generate करने के लिए. और इन द अदर हैंड फ्लैट पैनल स्क्रीन में हम लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स और प्लाज्मा का यूज करते हैं टू प्रोड्यूस द आउटपुट. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज द CRT, कैथोड रे ट्यूब screen, and this is the flat panel screen. So this was used very बहुत ही पहले ये यूज किया जाता था CRT, बट नाउ हम ज्यादातर फ्लैट पैनल स्क्रीन ही यूज करते हैं आइदर फॉर अवर कंप्यूटर और फॉर अवर टेलीविजन. Now our next topic is printer. So by definition, printer is an external hardware device responsible for taking computer data and generating a hard copy of that data. So basically printer का काम है कि वो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू दिए गए डेटा की हार्ड कॉपी जनरेट करे. हार्ड कॉपी का मतलब होता है इन वॉट एवर इट इज printed on the paper. Okay, so anything which is coming printed on the paper is known as hard copy. The points are there. So first point is the computer transmits the image data to the printer which then physically recreates the image typically on the paper. So the method is like that. Computer इमेज डेटा को प्रिंटर में ट्रांसफर करता है, फिर उसको उस इमेज को फिजिकली रिक्रिएट किया जाता है पेपर पे. ओके, दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर द सॉफ्ट कॉपी Okay, so whatever the soft copy is transmitted by the computer to the printer, it is then converted into hard copy in simple term. Now the second point, printer are one of the most used peripherals on computer and are commonly used to print text, images and photos. So printer एक ऐसा peripheral device है जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर के साथ यूज किया जाता है एंड इसका बेसिक फंक्शन होता है टेक्स्ट, इमेजेस और फोटोज को प्रिंट करना. Basically, there are two types of printer. First is impact printer and the second is non-impact printer. So first we discuss about impact printer. By definition, impact printer prints the characters by striking paper and ribbon together to form a character like a typewriter. Okay, so in impact printer mechanism, there is a paper and a ribbon which strike at a time to print the character on the paper, and it is somehow similar to the mechanism of a typewriter. So there are some advantage and disadvantage of impact printer. So advantage include it is less expensive, and second point, it can make multiple copies with multi-part paper. Now disadvantage, it is noisy, print quality lower in some types, poor graphics or none at all, and it is very slow. Now, impact printers are of two types. First is character printer and line printer. Character printers are the printer which print one character at a time. Okay, so character printers ऐसे printers होते हैं जो कि एक ही character को print करते हैं एक समय में. ये character printer बाद में two types में divide हुए हैं, dot matrix printer और daisy wheel printer. Or and on the other hand, line printer prints a line at a time. So the basic difference between character printer and line printer is that character printer prints one character at a time, whereas line printer prints one line at a time. And there are two type of character printer, dot matrix and daisy wheel. Now we will discuss about the non-impact printer. Okay, from its name it is clear that it doesn't produce any impact on the paper. That means it prints the character without using the ribbon. So there is no stacking method here in non-impact printer. It uses ink spray, toner powder or inkless. So there are also some advantage and disadvantage of non-impact printer also. First advantage is it is quiet. It is not noisy like impact printer because it is not using the mechanism of striking on the paper, correct? Striking on the ribbon, sorry. Now the second point is can handle graphics and often a wider variety of fonts than impact printer. Third is it is fast. Now it has some disadvantage also. It is more expensive. It occupies a lot of space and the cost of maintaining this type of printer like non-impact printer is very high. Now moving towards the types of impact printer. So impact printers are of two types, laser printer and inkjet printer. So laser printer. A laser printer rapidly produces high quality text and graphics. Okay, so here we have laser printer. As we know that non-impact printers are much better than impact printer. So laser printer produces high quality of text and graphics. Now laser printer are often used in corporate, schools and other environments that require print jobs to be completed quickly and in large quantity. So like we have offices, corporates and some government offices, schools where we want the printing thing to be done in the large quantities, so there we can use laser printer. uh, Laser printer is expensive but it has good graphic quality. Now coming towards the second type of non-impact printer, that is inkjet printer. So inkjet printer operates by propelling variably sized droplets of liquid or molten material ink onto almost any size page. So this is the mechanism of inkjet printer and they are the most common type of computer printer used by consumer. So inkjet printer are widely used by the consumer for printing the text or graphics or images, and inkjet printer is somehow slow as compared to laser printer. Now our next output device is speaker. As you can see the image is on the screen. So the speaker are attached to computer to facilitate the output of sound. So okay, so till now we have discussed that the output will be produced either on the screen Okay, it displayed on the screen, or the printer will produce output on the paper. But we have one more output device, that is speaker, which produce output in the form of sound. Okay, so some points are there for a speaker. A hardware device connected to a computer's sound card that outputs sound generated by the computer. So a speaker एक हार्डवेयर डिवाइस है जो कि कंप्यूटर के साउंड कार्ड के साथ कनेक्टेड होता है, और जब भी कंप्यूटर कोई साउंड जनरेट करता है तो उसको स्पीकर आउटपुट कराता है. नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज स्पीकर कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर वेरियस साउंड्स meant to alert the user, as well as music and spoken text. We know, we all of we know about this. So next point is sound cards. Sound cards are required in the computer for speaker to function. As we have discussed, as we have seen the sound card in the first line. So sound card is basically used to connect the speaker to our computer. So the sound card is required in the computer for speaker to function. If we want our speaker to function and it should be connected to our computer, then we need sound card. Now our next is projector. You can see the image of projector is here. So projector we mostly use for seminars, meeting in the school. Okay. Now by definition, a projector is a display device that projects a computer created image onto the another surface, usually some sort of whiteboard or wall. Okay. So if you want to see the image in a large frame, so we use projector. Basically projector क्या करता है, ये इमेज को फोकस करता है किसी भी प्लेन वॉल या वाइट बोर्ड पे, जिससे हमको इमेज की क्वालिटी बहुत ही बड़ी दिखती है, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू सी द बिग pictures. So the computer transmits the image data to its video card, which then sends the video image to the projector. It is most often used for presentation or viewing videos. As I told कि जो कंप्यूटर है वो अपना इमेज डेटा को वीडियो कार्ड के थ्रू प्रोजेक्टर में ट्रांसफर करता है, फिर प्रोजेक्टर उसको डिस्प्ले कराता है ऑन वाइट बोर्ड और इन द वॉल. एंड प्रोजेक्टर का यूज हम मोस्टली प्रेजेंटेशन या फिर वीडियो देखने के लिए करते हैं. ये एक आउटपुट डिवाइस है, an output device that can take the display of computer screen and project a large version of it on the screen. So basically प्रोजेक्टर क्या करता है, कंप्यूटर के डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन को लेकर उसको किसी भी फ्लैट सरफेस पे उसका लार्ज वर्जन प्रोजेक्ट करता है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन सी ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन इन अ स्मॉल साइज, वी कैन बाय प्रोजेक्टर वी कैन सी इट इन अ लार्ज version. Now projectors are often used in meetings and presentations so that everyone in the room can view the presentation. So basically projector का use हम meetings या presentation में करते हैं, जिससे बड़े से रूम में बैठे हुए सारे लोगों को जो भी टॉपिक है, जो भी कंटेंट है, वो क्लियरली विजिबल हो सके. So this is now for today's class. I hope you enjoyed our class. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.